With the help of plugin, we can add functionality to our website, like installing a WooCommerce plugin will add e-commerce functionality to our websites. So with plugins, we can add a lot of the functionalities. So from here, we can check the install plugins. This plugin comes in default with WordPress, so we can remove it anytime. Click on select the delete and click on the apply button, and these will be removed. From here, clicking on that add new button, we will be able to add a new plugin. So these are the plugins, and you can search from here any plugin. Like I would like to add Elementor plugin. I would search for Elementor and this will appear. I would like to install that Elementor website builder. Click on that install button and the installation process will start. Also, I would like to add the essential add-ons for Elementors. After installation, I would like to click on that activate button to activate the Elementor plugin. Now if I back to this page, we would see the Elementor plugin installed. Now if we back to these plugins, we would have Elementor plugin there. From here, we will select activate and click on apply button and it will activate all the selected plugins. And from here we can set configuration for that add-on essential plugin for Elementor, but I will skip this now. And from this plugin file editor, we can edit any plugin file. This is the PHP code and we can customize the PHP code and change the layout of any plugin.